Once you learn to really cook stuff at home, it's hard to go out and pay for them, especially like, you know, we go out and pay $50 for a nice steak dinner, and then you're done. Well, it's nice every now and then, yeah, once you learn how to do it, man, it's.
I need the jail and Mr. Montero. Sorry. All right. We have Mr. Acevedo. Are you there, Mr. Monteros?
Yes, can you hear me, Judge?
Yeah, I can hear you. I just can't see you.
Oh, wait, maybe let me push this thing here. Just a second here. Can you see me now, Judge?
Yes, got it. All right. If you would raise your right hand, Mr. Aceveros.
Oh.
You swear or affirm testimony about to give me the truth, the whole truth, nothing but truth, stuff you got.
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your true name Andy Acevedo?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand in this case you are charged with assault?
Yes, sir.
Have you had enough time to go over that case with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand we're doing this plea remotely through electronic means, and your attorney is online with us?
Yes, I see him.
Okay. Are you okay doing the plea electronically?
Yes, that's fine.
To the charge of assault, how do you plead?
No contest.
They want either a guilty or not guilty.
Guilty.
All right, accept your plea of guilty. Find you guilty, send you to 120 days in jail. The jail sentence, however, suspended. No, it's 120 days. You'll get credit for 145 days. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
It'll be time served as of right now. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about anything?
No, sir.
All right. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Thanks,
Thank
Andy.
you,
Good luck.
Monteros.
Yeah, man.
Christopher.
All right. Do we have the bond yet?
You said that I see that it's there.
We don't have it yet.
I'm just gonna give me a second and
Okay.
I'll have it. I think they're putting it in the wrong queue.
We're waiting for the bond to be put in my queue on this case.
Okay.
It's in there now. All right. And this is Christopher Patrick Foe.
Correct,
So,
sir.
that's correct.
Okay. And did you want to call your client and testify?
Yes, sir.
All right. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
And do I have a copy of the mental health evaluation?
You ready, sir?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name's
Oh, what is your name?
Christopher Foe.
And you are the same Christopher Patrick Foe, are you not, who is the applicant in this application for writ of habeas corpus? Is that true?
That is correct.
Right now, you're in the Collin County Jail, a prisoner of our sheriff. Is that correct?
That is correct.
You were arrested on or about the 7th of August this year. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you've been in jail continuously since the date of your arrest.
That is correct.
So, all right, so you're in jail now for possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony, and also for some other cases, right?
Yes.
What are all the cases you're in jail for right now?
I believe B misdemeanor for allegations of theft and the third degree felony for possession of a controlled substance.
All right, any other things?
I have an older possession charge. I don't know what happened with.
All right, so you're asking the judge today to consider every single case for which you're now in jail. Is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, so they set bonds on all your cases. You can't post those bonds. Is that right?
That is correct.
Do you have any houses or land?
No, I do not.
Do you have any cars or boats or airplanes?
I do not.
How about bank accounts?
I have one Chime account. I think it might be negative right now.
All right, how about stocks and bonds?
No, I don't.
You got no money, no way to post any bond. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah.
All right, so you have a history of drug dependency. Is that right?
That's correct.
And before you were arrested, you were trying to do something about that. Is that true?
That's correct.
What were you trying to do about it?
I was trying to meet up with my sister so she could give me a ride to Parkland Hospital so I could get a COVID-19 test so I could then get into Turtle Creek Rehab.
All right. And so you can't be admitted to Turtle Creek until you have a COVID-19 test, right?
That's correct.
And they can't admit you until you get out of jail. Is that right?
That's correct.
So you're asking the judge to grant you a mental health bond on all of these cases with the condition that you follow through on your original treatment program and go to the Turtle Creek Treatment Facility.
Absolutely.
All right, now, Mr. Foe, you understand that this mental health bond is not a get out of jail free card. If the judge grants this, you're going to have to follow up on your treatment. You're going to have to stay in touch with Ms. Fox at the MHMC office. You're going to have to appear before the court or contact the court on a regular basis until these cases get filed. You understand that?
I understand that, yes.
And you understand if you mess up on that, you're going to get rearrested, you're going to get put back in jail, and you're not going to get out again until your cases are disposed of, however how long that may take.
Yes, I understand that.
And you've got your sister who lives in McKinney, is that correct?
Yes,
And she's aware of all this, right?
yes,
And she's prepared to help you get back and forth from the jail to the treatment facility, to the hospital, to the court, wherever you need to go, she'll get you moved around. Is that correct?
that's correct.
All right, and you're asking the judge to grant you this mental health bond on all these cases on these conditions, correct?
That's correct.
All right, so that's all the questions I have. Now, Ms. Matthew from the prosecutor's office may want to ask you some questions. So if she does, you answer them for her, okay? That's all, Your Honor. Pass the witness.
You're muted.
Sorry, Your Honor. Sir, were you residing with your sister prior to your arrest?
I mean, a year prior. Yes, prior to my arrest, I did reside in my sister.
And have you ever received any prior treatment for drug or alcohol abuse?
I have.
Okay. And was that at Turtle Creek?
No.
Okay. And how long ago was that?
received treatment, I think it was back in 2015. I was also prior to this, well, not just prior, but previous to this arrest, I was attending outpatient at IPS in Main Street, Dallas. But I went into a mental health facility through the months, the end of June through July. And so I was taken off their program because I hadn't seen you for 30 days.
And what was the mental health facility that you went to?
Mayhill Hospital in Denton, and then Texas Health Presbyterian in Walnut Hill in Dallas.
And you said you went to a mental health facility. Did you receive a mental health diagnosis while you were there?
I'm sorry, you were breaking up.
You said you went to a mental health facility. What diagnosis that you received while you were there?
I have a diagnosis of bipolar disorder. And I have a diagnosis, I believe, of substance abuse issues, or however you say that.
And have you been receiving medication in the jail?
No, actually, I have. I keep asking, but I haven't gotten it yet.
Okay, so you haven't received any of your medication while in the jail?
No.
Were you taking your medication prior to being arrested?
Well, I've been discharged for, I think, 5 or 6 days, and I was trying to get myself in a position where I could pay for my medications. So 6 days prior, no, but months prior, yeah.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Just a couple more. All right, so Mr. Foe, you're willing to take your medicine if you can just get it. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah.
All right, and you have my contact information from the letters I've sent you?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when you get where you're going to get in touch with me so I'll know how to find you and write to you. Is that correct?
100%.
All right, that's all I have. Pass the witness.
Anything else?
No further questions, Your Honor.
Suspense rest.
Yes.
And does they have anything else to offer?
Nothing else to offer, Your Honor, unless the court wants to see the MHA and the treatment plan, the action plan. If you do, we offer that.
I have that. Does the state have anything to offer?
No, Your Honor.
Any argument?
Your Honor, we're asking the court to grant this man mental health bonds on all of his holds, whatever they may be, with the instruction that he follow up and get his COVID test and then report to the Turtle Creek Treatment Facility to go through the treatment there, however long that may take, while we wait for the cases to be filed and processed at the court.
I'll
State of
defer to
any-
the court, Your Honor.
Okay. Here's the problem, though. I only have one writ. The one writ on one of the felony case. I think the misdemeanor case is actually in my court. I can grant a writ on
We're
that.
asking the court to accept a trial amendment to refer to all the cases, whatever they may be. The court has jurisdiction over all of them, regardless of the number of writs that are filed.
Well, I'm doing this for the felony courts, and we need a writ filed to match it up with the felony charge. They know what I did. So I'll grant the writs.
All right, well, I'll file an additional writ this afternoon,
Okay.
and
As soon as I
we don't
see
need to
that
have
writ-
another hearing, though. Is that correct?
No, right. We're good on the hearing. I just need to get another writ filed so I can match it up with the felony case. We'll take care of the misdemeanor case. So I think it's been over 15 days anyway. So.
All right, I'll
we'll
file
go-
the extra writ just in a minute.
Okay. And Tony needs to tell Mr. Foe something real fast.
Christopher, my name is Tony Fox. I'm with Collin County Mental Health Management Council, and I'll be your case manager.
Okay.
As soon as they get the paperwork done and you are released, and, you'll need to contact me, let me know that you've been released and the best way in which to reach you. And then you and I can talk about everything that you need to be doing. But primarily you need to call me, get the test, and get to Turtle Creek, okay? All right, Judge, I'll get you the bonds as soon as I have a written number.
Okay, and you understand
Go
what
ahead
you
and
gotta
send
do
you-
now, Mr. Foe? You have to call Tony every week. You're supposed to come see me once a month. As long as you're in treatment, we're not gonna take you out of treatment to come see me. And as
Yes,
long
sir.
as you follow the rules that you've agreed to follow, you'll stay out on bond. If you decide you don't want to do these things, we'll put you back in jail, okay?
Okay, that's understandable.
All right,
Thank you.
good luck.
Thank you,
y'all.
sir.
All right, thanks, everyone. Departing the meeting.
Head back to my time.
Thank you, Jill.
Thank
Thank you.